Good morning, children. Today we are going to start exponent chapter formulas. Coming to the formulas here, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. If m is greater than n, means m should be greater than n and a should not be equal to 0. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus m. So what is the difference here? Both the formulas are similar here, but the output is not similar. Why? If m is less than n, means n should be greater here. If n is greater, then this is the formula. If m is greater, then this is the formula, right? So a to the power of m into n, that is nothing but a to the power of m n. A b to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n and b to the power of n. So a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. A to the power of 1 is equal to a. These are the formulas, 7 formulas. We have a. So in each and every formulas we have a. In the place of a, it may be a by b also. Means it may be in fractions also. Now coming to the next exercise, we have only one exercise for this chapter. So evaluate expanded form. Evaluate means it's an expanded form in evaluate. The first question, 7 to the power of 4. 7 to the power of 4. We are just expanding it. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, 4 times. Now minus 5 to the power of 3, that is nothing but minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. 3 by 4 to the power of 4 means 3 by 4 in 4 times. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Now express each of the following in exponential notation. Now expanded form and exponential notation form, both are different. Expanded form is nothing but whatever the question is there, we are just expanding it. In exponential form, it is a quite reverse, means this will be the question and this will be the answer. Let's see the first question. See, minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4, that is nothing but minus 3 by 4 to the power of 3. Second question, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to minus 5 to the power of 3. Now coming to the third question, express each of the following in exponential notation. Previous one, it was an exponential notation. This one also, it is an exponential notation only. Now here, that question was a different question. Now this question is a different question. That was only multiplication, means it was an expanded form. You have to convert it into exponential notation format. But here we have a simple question. We have to expand that, then we have to frame it in a exponential notation format. Now 343 by 512. Coming to the question, 343 is equal to 7 cube. 7 cube. Now we have to do the LCM part. We have to do it, the LCM part in the rough column. I have not done here in the rough column, but you have to do in the classwork notebook. Now 7 to the power of 3 means 7 into 7 into 7 by 512 can be written as 8 to the power of 3 means 8 into 8 into 8, right? Now 7 by 8 to the power of 3. Now second question, minus 32 by 243. Now minus 32 can be written as minus 2 to the power of 5 means 2 into minus 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 2, 5 times. Now 243, that is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times means 3 to the power of 5. Now minus 2 by 3 to the power of 5. Here I have done all shortcut way, but how you got this minus 2 to the power of 5 and 3 to the power of 5, how you got? You have to do the LCM part. See, let's see. Let's see here. I'll take it first one. It's 32. 32 means 2za means it is 16. I'm doing a rough work. You need to do for each and every sum. Next 2 table, that is nothing but 8. Next again 2 table, H 4s are you getting clear? Yeah, next again 2, H 2s are, then again 2s are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the reason 2 to the power of 5. In the same way, 243. The same way, right? So minus 1 by 128. Now, be careful. In the numerator value, it was in numbers here in the previous question, but here the numerator value it's a 1. Whatever it is, 1 to the power of 100 also, it is equal to 1. Whatever the number may be, right? It is 1 only. So we can take here, means first we are taking 128. 128. So that is nothing but 128 is nothing but 2 to the power of 7. We have 7 here. That's the reason minus 1 to the power of 7 we have taken, because it should be in the form of a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Sorry, a to the power of m by a to the power of m. A to the power of m by b to the power of m. That is nothing but a by b. I'll write it here, the formula part. Since a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now see, the powers are same. This can be written as a by b whole to the power of m. This is the method here. How you got for all the things, see. Right. Now coming to the next one. 729 by 664. Now 729 can be written as 3 to the power of 6 by 2 to the power of 6. That is nothing but 3 by 2 to the power of 6. Now coming to the next one. Here it is a multiplication. See here. Now you will get a formula based sums. This was normal, this formula based sum. But here the formula is changed. See, 5 by 1 second. Now see here, we have 5 by 21 to the power of 3 into 5 by 21 to the power of 3. So now a to the power of m into a to the power of n, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Means the bases are same, the power should be added when it is in multiplication. So 5 by 21 to the power of 3 plus 3, that is nothing but 5 by 21 to the power of 6. Now coming to the next one, minus 16 by 35 to the power of 16 divided by minus 16 by 35 to the power of 3. Now minus 16 by 35 to the power of 16 divided by minus 16 by 35 to the power of 3, that is nothing but minus 16 by 35 to the power of 16 minus of 3. How you got this? Because a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. A to the power of m minus n. So next, next one. So 1 by 24 to the power of 13 divided by 1 by 24 to the power of 16. See here, when you compare here m value and n value, m is greater. When m is greater, this is the formula. Sorry, this is the formula. Now here 13 and 16, n is greater. Now the formula is changed. See, this is the formula. What is the formula? This one, a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n minus n. Same formula here, a to the power of n minus n. That is nothing but 1 by 24 to the power of 3. Now coming to the next one. Now simplify and express each of the following as a rational number. Now here we have to do an expanded form, then cancel, and whatever the leftover sum is there, we have to do the sum here. See, 10 to the power of 2. Now 10 to the power of 2 can be written as 10 into 10, and 15 to the power of 3 is 15 into 15 into 15. Now 2 to the power of 2 is 2 into 2, and 3 is a simple thing, and 5 to the power of 5 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 times, and 6 to the power of 4 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Now next, I'm expanding the 10 value also and 15 value also now. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 2 into 5, and 15 value can be written as 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 3 and 3 into 5. The next one, yes, 6, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, and 2 into 3, and 2 into 3. The rest of the things, everything is similar. Now here, the next one, I'm arranging in a ascending order, means all 2's to one side, 3's to one side, and 5 to one side. See, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here also 2 into 2, wherever 2's are there, all one times, and 3 is one side and 5 is one side. Then I got here. Now cancellation part, be careful with the cancellation part. Now coming to the 2 here, I'm cancelling 2 and 2. Be careful, 2 and 2. Cancellation part, it's very careful. You have to cancel the numerator value. Now 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 threes, 3 threes. Now 5's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, and 1's are, and 1's are. Yeah, 5, 1 time. See, whatever the cancelled part I have removed. See, here in the numerator value nothing is there, that's the reason 1, and here in denominator value 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. See, whatever the leftover terms we have written here. Next, 2 into 2 is 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 into 9. That is nothing but 1 by 144. Now coming to the next one. The same way, same formula, 3, not the formula, just expanding form. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means total 5 times, and 25 can be written as 5 into 5, and 10 to the power of 5 means 10 5 times. Then 5 to the power of 7 is 7 times, and 6 to the power of 5 is 5 times. Now expanding this 10 value and 6 value. So 5 2's are, 5 2's are, 5 2's are, 5 2's are, and 5 2's are. Next, 6 value, 2 3's are, 2 3's are, 2 3's are, 2 3's are, and 2 3's are. Now cancellation is 1. Now it's a confusion. How? Because we have to do the cancellation. 3 is 1. I am not arranged in ascending order. Directly I am doing it because you understood in the previous sum. Say 3, 3, 3, 3. Be careful while cancelling the terms, because any one thing is missing, the total answer will be wrong here. Next, 2's, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 and 2, 2 and 2 and 2 and 2. Next, leftover is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. After that, 5, 5, 5 and 5, 5 and 5, 5 and 5, and 5, last 5 and last 5. See, everything is cancelled. That's the reason it is a 1. Got it, children? Now coming to the next one. Now it's a word problem. See, be careful here. The distance between the earth and the moon is approximately 384,000 kilometers. 384,000 kilometers. Express this distance in meters in exponential notation format. Right? Distance between the earth and the moon is 384,000 kilometers. Now expressing distance in meters. So here 384,000 into 1000 meters means 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. That's a formula. Now that can be written as here. Now what? 38 crores 40 lakhs. 38 crores 40 lakh meters. Now coming to the next, this can be written as exponential notation is, means how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. That's the reason 10 to the power of 6, and we are not expanding the simple thing, only the zero values we are expanding in a shortcut way. Now coming to the next one. Express the following in centimeters in exponential notation format. Now 98 hectometers. Now coming to the solution here, 98 hectometers, 98 into 10,000 centimeters, that is nothing but 1 hectometer is equal to 10,000 centimeters. 1 hectometer is equal to 10,000 centimeters. Now this can be written as 9,80,000 centimeters, or it can be written as 98 into 10 to the power of 4. We have done in the previous sum. See, shortcuts of zeros. How many zeros are there? That many to the power of 10. Now coming to the next, 156 kilometers. 156 kilometers. Now 156 kilometers is equal to 156 into 1 lakh centimeters. Now 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeters. 1 kilometer equal to 1 lakh centimeters. That can be written as 1 crore 56 lakhs centimeters. That is nothing but 156 into 10 to the power of 5 centimeters. Now coming to the next, 371 meters. This can be written as 371 meters equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 371 into 100 centimeters. That can be written as 37,100 centimeters. That can be written as 371 into 10 to the power of 2 centimeters. Thank you, children. We have completed total exercise, means total chapter of exponents. So please do complete your work in your class book, and whatever the doubts, please discuss in the comment section in YouTube. Okay. Thank you, children.